how to tie the timber hitch. So in front of me, got the working end of my rope coming towards me and the object onto which we want to tie the timber hitch. The first thing we do is we take enough cordage through to actually tie the knot itself. Once we've done that, we get our object and we place it over our standing end like so. Now we take the working end, which was coming towards me, pass it over the top of the object and take it underneath the standing end at this point here. So take it underneath the standing end, take it through and just form it fairly loosely over the top. Now that we've done that, we then take this working end here and we pass it underneath that loop that we've created there. Just pass it underneath and then pull up tightish, but you still want room to put another turn in. And then once we've done that, we then take the working end again. So there's our working end. We then pass it round underneath again for another time. So take it round underneath for another time. And you can see now here, we have created the timber hitch. Obviously, depending on the size of the object, you may want to increase the number of turns. And the other thing to remember is that when you create the timber hitch, this is spread out along the object, not bunched up close to your standing end. So there we have it, 1 in number timber hitch.